And while we are in a new year, we're seeing a lot of the same trends with COVID cases. They're continuing to rise today with thousands of new positives. In Pulaski County alone, there were over 1,000 new cases reported just since yesterday. Governor Hutchinson says testing remains high, though, as more than 10,000 PCR tests were given out. And across the state, the Arkansas Department of Health is reporting more than 4,000 new cases of COVID-19. And the number of active cases sits right now at about 25,000. Hospitals in the state are seeing an increase as well, and there are 20 new hospitalizations, bringing the total number there to nearly 700. And sadly, 32 more Arkansans have died from the virus. And the CDC says the average number of COVID cases in the U.S. has nearly quadrupled since Omicron was first detected a month ago. With the variant spreading fast, 2022 is off to a challenging start. Elise Preston reports from New York.
On his first day as New York's mayor, Eric Adams said the nation's biggest city remains open for business, even as COVID cases surge.
Despite COVID-19 and its persistence, New York is not closed. It is still open and alive.
After revelers gathered across the nation to ring in the new year, the U.S. continues to grapple with new infections. At least 15 states are seeing record new case counts. Nationally, more than 2 million cases were reported in 1 week. The spike is prompting dozens of U.S. colleges, including Harvard, to move classes online, at least for now. Hospitals in many parts of the nation are struggling to avoid becoming overwhelmed.
Our hospitals right now are at roughly the same numbers they were on the worst day of last winter's surge.
And many holiday travelers spent New Year's Day stuck at airports hoping to get home. Bad weather and COVID-related staffing shortages forced airlines to cancel thousands more flights. One New Year's Day tradition returned this year. The Rose Parade stepped off in Pasadena, California, after COVID canceled last year's festivities. Elise Preston, CBS News, New York.